AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C01 exam. Updated questions are valuable for you to study all the related topics. Share some AWS certification CLF-C01 exam updated questions here. 1. Which of the following is a way to use Amazon EC2 auto-scaling groups to scale capacity in the AWS cloud? A. Scale the number of EC2 instances in or out automatically, based on demand. B. Use serverless EC2 instances. C. Scale the size of EC2 instances up or down automatically, based on demand. D. Transfer unused CPU resources between EC2 instances. 2. A company wants a cost-effective option when running its applications in an Amazon EC2 instance for short time periods. The applications can be interrupted. Which EC2 instance type will meet these requirements? A. Spot instances. B. On-demand instances. C. Reserved instances. D. Dedicated instances. 3. Which of the following are characteristics of a serverless application that runs in the AWS cloud? Select 2. A. Users must manually configure Amazon EC2 instances. B. Users have a choice of operating systems. C. The application has built-in fault tolerance. D. Users can run Amazon EC2 spot instances. E. The application can scale based on demand. 4. A company wants to set up an entire development and continuous delivery toolchain for coding, building, testing, and deploying application code. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? A. Amazon Code Guru. B. AWS CodeStar. C. AWS Code Commit. D. AWS Code Deploy. 5. Which of the following are design principles of the reliability pillar of the AWS well-architected framework? Select 2. A. Perform operations as code. B. Stop guessing capacity. C. Adopt serverless architecture whenever possible. D. Use build and deployment management systems. E. Make changes to infrastructure by using automation. 6. A company is using AWS Lambda. Which task is the company's responsibility, according to the AWS Shared Responsibility Model? A. Update the Lambda runtime language. B. Maintain the runtime environment. C. Maintain the networking infrastructure. D. Configure the resource. 7. Which service is an AWS in-memory data store service? A. Amazon Aurora. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon DynamoDB. D. Amazon ElastiCache. 8. An e-commerce company has migrated its IT infrastructure from an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. Which cost is the company's direct responsibility? A. Cost of application software licenses. B. Cost of the hardware infrastructure on AWS. C. Cost of power for the AWS servers. D. Cost of physical security for the AWS data center. 9. A company is considering a migration from on-premises to the AWS cloud. The company's IT team needs to offload support of the workload. What should the IT team do to accomplish this goal? A. Use AWS managed services to provision, run, and support the company infrastructure. B. Build hardware refreshes into the operational calendar to ensure availability. C. Use Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS, on Amazon EC2 instances. D. Over-provision compute capacity for seasonal events and traffic spikes to prevent downtime. 10. A company wants to migrate its on-premises Microsoft SQL Server database server to the AWS cloud. The company has decided to use Amazon EC2 instances to run this database. Which of the following is the company responsible for managing, according to the AWS Shared Responsibility Model? A. EC2 Hypervisor. B. Security patching of the guest operating system. C. Network connectivity of the host server. D. Uptime Service Level Agreement, SLA, for the EC2 instances.